Hello everyone, I am Devendra Vadhia, working as assistant professor in the Department of Engineering Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss some questions of simultaneous equations using Gauss elimination method. First question is solved by Gauss elimination method. 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 12, 8x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 23, 4x plus 11y minus z equal to 33. First of all, numbering the equations. 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 12 is equation number 1. 8x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 23, equation number 2. 4x plus 11y minus z equal to 33. Second step, eliminate x. Help of equation number 1 by equation 2 and 3 by applying equation 2 minus 4 into equation number 1, equation 3 minus 2 into equation number 1. We get 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 12. ये वन इक्वेशन है. Minus 7y minus 14z equal to minus 25, equation number 4. Y minus z equal to 1, equation number 5. Equation number 4 की help of equation number 4, y eliminate equation number 5. To eliminate y from equation 5 by applying 7 into equation 5 plus equation 4, we get 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 12, equation 1, minus 7y minus 14z equal to minus 25, equation 4, minus 21z equal to minus 18, equation 6. 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 12, minus 7z minus 14 minus 7y minus 14z equal to minus 25, minus 21z equal to minus 18. तो स्टेप थर्ड में, in step third, find the value of equation x, y, z. From equation 6, find the value of z. Z equal to minus 18 upon minus 21 equal to 6 upon 7. So putting the value of z equal to x 6 upon 7 in equation number 4. Find the value of y. Y equal to 13 upon 7. Put the value of y and z in 1. We get x equal to 47 upon 14. Thank you.